Well,
get in there quick before.
well, we hit a water line, you guys.
Oh no!
I knew we should have blue staked.
Shoot. This is not good.
Boulder Dash had this bright idea. He's like, why don't we just take the excavator and go nugget hunting with it?
Yeah, they do it in Australia.
Yeah.
So it'll probably be fine.
All right.
The reason we're doing that is look how it's literally mud. Like, that's not dry washable.
No. Yikes.
And,
yeah.
So
So
we'll
cool.
see what happens.
We're gonna nugget hunt.
Yeah.
We got the detectors: 6,000, 5,000, 1,000, and go butt you.
Next.
So we got all the detectors,
Yeah.
and we have an excavator, and we're gonna dig holes and look for gold nuggets.
Yeah.
Well, hole number 1 was a bust, so we're filling it up and we're gonna move on to the next spot. Boy, this sure beats shoveling, doesn't it? Yeah, big old rock. Yeah! Hopefully there's a big nugget under that rock. So this will be a little bit different. We're gonna take the excavator and we'll be looking for gold nuggets. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear into this old bench gravels right here. And these are really old gravels. There's lots of heavies down in here. And then the bedrock profile starts coming up right in there. Well, it's actually going down because this would be going downstream that way. But it's going down into a big dip, and then the bedrock finally starts coming out way over here. So we're gonna take the excavator, we're gonna dig all that out, we're gonna metal detect it, we're gonna cross our fingers for some nuggets on that bedrock. Guys, so we abandoned the idea on the old river channel gold, and it didn't quite work out for us. The bedrock just wasn't cooperating, so we decided to dig out another bench. What usually goes along with these late 1800s miners is they leave, I don't know if I'd call them artifacts, but they leave junk around. So here's something really cool that we found. Now keep in mind, these were miners, they were in the creeks and they were mining the creeks and moving boulders and stuff. So look what popped out of the ground. Look at this. This is an old pry bar. Look how narrow it is. It's super skinny compared to today's pry bars. But look at, there's a little flat tip on there. Isn't that cool? So yeah, it's about, I'd call that a 6-foot pry bar actually. And yeah, so that came out of the ground, pretty neat. So, and it's bent up a little bit, so they got some good use out of it, I bet. And then I want you guys to see this and chime in the comments below. Let me know if you think you know what this is. Now, this is actually broken. I don't know how to orient this to show you, but we'll do it kind of slow here. I don't know what this product is or what it would have been. Now there's a piece broken right here. It's broken off, but you kind of get the picture, right? So if you know what this is, It's from the late 1800s for sure. And please comment below and let's see what you think. Here's the side profile of that. Very interesting. I was thinking maybe the top of a cane, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it right there in the tree. And we'll go down and see how progress is going on the placer digging, the nugget hunting that we're doing. I heard that.
Jeez, that was loud. That sounds like there's a wasp on you. He's gone. Looking good. Keep going. Oh man, I'm daydreaming.
It's a nugget.
Yeah!
Hey, how about that? My first GP X6000 nugget.
Oh yeah, look at that little beauty. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Little chunky sucker. Shoot,
Nice
that's a
little bugger.
4/10er. 3/10.
So it wasn't even on bedrock.
Oh no, so what are we gonna do?
I don't know. We need to not hunt bedrock anymore.
I'll just stick to the overburden, I guess.
Change it to I brake for overburden.
It doesn't have the same ring to it.
Nice one.
A brake for overburden. No.
All right. Come on, gold.
Be gold. It's in the bedrock.
Hey, you got it.
Never know. Sounds terrible, but it doesn't mean anything. Oh, that's
What? What is
stuck
it?
to the. So it's a piece of bedrock, and you can just see the gold coming through right
Oh,
there.
that's funny. Yep, there it is, little
on.
nugget. So it was just kind of embedded in the top of the bedrock a little bit, huh?
Yeah. Just
Nice.
a little.
Hey,
actually,
how about
that's
that?
Not bad. Classic.
Yeah.
Nice, beautiful water-worn piece. Huh. That was it. Right, here we go. Now it sounds wrong again. We got big spots for the trash. So what? Oh, it's gold!
Right on, man.
Oh, it's a
Cool.
nice one.
Oh, heck yeah,
Look
man.
at that thing.
Oh,
Holy.
jeez, man. That's a freaking 4/10er, dude.
See, that's bigger. That's a half easy.
Man.
Oh, yeah. It's
Solid,
like
bugger, isn't it? Ah, well
Wow.
done. Look at that, you guys.
Wow.
Nice little nugget. That's a solid little slug.
Yeah.
Good
4/10
deal.
maybe. It's thick.
Yeah.
Huh.
Cool, man. Oh,
That got
boy.
it.
This is really turning into...
I dug the bedrock by hand.
Hey,
I think this one's gonna be gold.
sure sounds okay, you know?
All right.
Nice. Well done.
Now, that's pretty good depth for a monster.
Half grammer, come on.
Oof.
And... All right, dude.
Oh my.
Hey,
about the same
look at
size as
that.
the other one.
Yeah.
Holy.
Nice,
Look at that
man.
one. Yeah, move that thing.
Excellent. Nice.
Shoot, that's a little run of nuggets there.
Heck yeah.
Bro,
Good deal, man.
I'm getting too tired of digging all these nuggets. Still a second without that. Hold on.
Oh my god, no
Okay,
kidding.
people, this is why you check your hole, because it's...
Dude, no way. There's another signal. That never happens.
Check up here, too. No, that's clear. Oh, wow.
Good
Wow,
grief. Yeah, I think one scoop in there ought to get it.
Yeah, it's like decomposed completely, so...
Holy buckets.
Holy buckets.
Hey, got it out.
I think it's going to be gold again because the other one was.
Dude, right on.
Of course there's 2 nuggets in one hole.
It's in that one. All right. Oh, you were wrong.
It was. It looked like something.
It's in there. It's all
some
smashed
mud
in
ball.
there. So it's a piece of mud ball, gross
Mud ball
bedrock.
bedrock.
And
Oh, I just
there'll probably be a nugget in there.
thought I saw it. There it is.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
right on.
Jeez.
Great.
Just a nice little.
How cool is that?
1/10 or 2/10 at least.
I like
It's really
it.
solid.
Let's dry wash this spot.
Yeah, we should.
Jeez.
Can you imagine how many nice little pieces would come out?
Oh, that's fantastic.
Shoot, 4 nuggets right there in a row. I'm going a flat piece of steel. Uh-oh. I made a mistake.
Were you wrong?
Again.
Jeez.
Look at this piece right there. It wasn't blow sand.
Yeah, look at that, you guys. Nice.
Oh my
Whoa,
gosh!
dude, what the heck?
Thing is huge.
Where did that come from?
Right
Gee
there.
whiz.
You were here.
I saw the whole thing.
What the?
That's great, man.
That is a
nice
beautiful
piece of
piece.
gold. Man, look how water-worn it
Dude,
is.
I thought that was trash for sure. I heard it. In the hand. Oh yeah, that got to be a nice signal.
I can't see.
Have you tried opening your eyes?
Hey, hang on, I will. It's my sunglasses, dude.
There's
I
some
can't
kind
see
of a-
nothing.
That looks like a piece of wire or something. Well, what's this?
Yeah,
Piece
I
of lead,
see it.
right?
That's organic, dude.
Really?
It's a gold nugget.
What?
Sure is.
Damn, how small it is.
Look at that.
Holy crap. Look how small that just found.
That's probably
That's impressive.
less than 1/10, dude.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So that's pretty good.
It geosensed it, I bet.
Geo sensed it. Well, folks, we hit old-timer workings again.
Yeah,
Gosh dang it. They beat us to it.
big time.
Man. This old channel drops down below the current elevation of the creek.
Big
I
time.
mean, it's all loose.
I didn't hit the bottom yet.
There's boulders and it's all loose. It's like, yeah.
Old trash in it. Weird. Okay, see what happens. Uh-oh. It's out. It's not too late, man. It could be something.
Oh, sure.
Maybe it's something I dug out of their workings. It was too big for them. Went right through their screen, over their screen. Come on. You got it. Yeah, get those off. You can't see anything.
I know, man.
Come on. What's it gonna be? I think I just saw some. I saw some yellow. Hold on. I thought I did. Or is it steel? What is it?
Dude,
No, it's not.
it is.
No, it's not.
Look.
Holy buckets!
Look at that steel.
Oh,
Good gravy.
that's crazy.
Look at that, folks. That is gnarly.
That's gnarly. Yeah, that is a what?
That's a piece of gold right there. Yeah.
That's what it was all about.
Good grief.
Finally.
Look at that.
Wow, it's a
piece.
beautiful piece. It's so angular and
That's
coarse.
so cool, man.
Shoot.
Wow.
That's got a couple grams anyways.
Oh, wow, man. That's fantastic.
Freak, finally.
It was in that,
Yeah, it was down there.
goofy looking soil there that.
Well, I just wonder
Wow.
if like, we kicked it out somehow or something. I don't know.
You know how good that's going to look cleaned up? Oh, my God.
It'll be a handsome nugget.
It will. That's for sure. This out.
Shouldn't be any trash. How juicy everything looks. Oh, is this it?
That you pointed to it. That is
Well,
it.
I'm really good at pinpointing,
Jeez,
okay?
you don't even let me dig the target. You just take it. Look at that nugget,
Look
man.
at this piece of gold that just came out.
Holy crap.
It's like a 1 grammer.
Oh, yeah,
easy.
totally.
Holy.
Wowee.
Dude, here, hold
Look
it.
at that. Clunk. We don't even need detectors. Look at that.
Yeah, I pinpointed it real good. Did you see that?
Nice.
And they asked why we don't have pinpointers.
Because we don't need them.
No, you just
Alright.
point to them.
That's awesome, man.
Freak, that was a cool piece.
Throw that in your Mine Lab bottle.
I will. That's a nice,
Gee
nice
whiz,
piece.
man. What a nice
Look
nugget.
at this. Huh.
Okay, guys. I'm going to call it a day. I'm taking off. Boulder Dash is going to stick around and do some more digging.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be fun. And then, but anyway, just so
weigh it
you
up.
guys know, yeah, we need to weigh this up so you can see how much gold we found today.
Yeah, not yesterday. We found nothing. All right, I got to get over here where there's no wind.
I'm going to get this rock out of here because
Yeah,
that really
I
bothers
don't want
me.
that to flip.
All right, we got
turn
this
it on.
really chintzy scale here. I don't know where the...
Yeah, this is in my backpack.
Yeah.
All right, we're zeroed out. They were grams. 6.41 grams.
Look at that.
6.44.
Man, that's fantastic.
Good, man.
6.39. Nice.
It's just the wind.
Man, that's great. I think the excavator helped a lot, though. I'd be pretty tired if I had to shovel all that. Yeah, nice looking gold, eh, folks?
Yeah, I love this big one. That's crazy great.
Yeah, that's
I
nice.
mean, even that one's nice.
Really cool.
9/10.
About a gram? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Right on.
Excellent. Well, there it is, people.
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the nugget digging today. It was a lot of fun. That's for sure.
Less fun yesterday.
Less fun yesterday. Yeah, we found the nice little dropout, nice little zone here today, and we managed to pick up a few just to kind of save the weekend. So, anyway, all right, folks. As always, best of luck on your prospecting adventures. We'll see you next time.